Welcome to Mayflower Moving Tips. As you prepare for your move, trust the professionals at Mayflower to guide you every step of the way. In this video, we'll focus on how to pack your kitchen. Before you start, it's a good idea to gather everything you'll need, including sturdy boxes of various sizes with flaps that can be completely closed, packing paper, small sealable bags, packing tape for sealing packed boxes, and felt tip markers for labeling boxes. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. When you're packing breakable items, you'll want to fill the bottom of your cartons with crushed paper. Wrap all breakable plates in clean paper. Using several sheets, start from the corner and wrap diagonally. Continuously tuck in the overlapping edges. A double layer serves well as an outer wrapping. Place them on their ends in a sturdy box. Never pack them flat in a box. If you're wrapping multiple plates of the same size, put a clean sheet of packing paper between the two plates. Stack them on top of one another and wrap them together. Put the heaviest items in the bottom and build up in layers with the lighter items. Divide the layers with crushed paper. Fill in empty spaces for a tight pack. Seal the box. Label with the name of the room, what's inside the box, and the word fragile with an arrow pointing up. For bowls with lids, place a layer of paper above the top of the bowl. Put the lid upside down in the bowl and wrap the bowl and lid together in clean paper, followed by an outer double layer. For other bowls, wrap two together in the same way as plates. When packing odd-shaped items, be sure to protect any handles by rolling a piece of packing paper and wrapping it around the handle. Wrap the rest of the item in a double layer of paper. When packing cups, wrap them individually. Then, pack them upside down. Items such as toasters and other small appliances should be wrapped individually and packed in a carton with crushed paper. Label them for easy identification inside the box. Wrap pots, pans, and other cookware in clean paper in the same way as plates. Here are some quick tips on food items. Do not take anything perishable. Take only food items you are sure will travel well. Seal with tape open boxes of dried or powdered foods such as rice, pasta, and cereal. For items that can easily spill, place them in a sealable bag and protect with paper. Good packing is essential to a stress-free move. Let Mayflower's Moving Tips be your guide through the moving process. Mayflower, every step of the way.